Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I'm back again at Loft family. I have some Jamaican sisters and my grandma who bought a house. So we're back at Loftel to walk them through the handing over process. You know what I mean? As you know, Jam Tours have so many services. It's like for free. It's for free now. So soon you will have to pay for it, family. I'm here at Loftel and they're actually setting up the kids play here, family. These are the guys setting up the kids play here. It's a Loftel family. If you never buy nothing here, so cheap and clean, inexpensive. You know what I mean? So I hope you take it. Here says the office, right? Office right here, that's the security guard. Everything start coming and tap in, family. So actually going up to the office to see what is going on and what is happening. Let's go, family. Let's go. Here with Jam Tours Africa. The tour of all tour. Tour of all tour. So I'm here at the office. And here with Dan. Yeah, family, so I'm here at the Loftel with my client. As I said, guys, you need the service, Jam Tours. So I bought 2 apartments at Loftel, and I'm just here with them for the last look and the final handing over. So it's my auntie and my grandmother who bought this. And so 909. So you guys have the apartment next to each other. 910. Yeah. Yeah, family, this is the red tape cutting of their new apartment at the Loftel. The storefront, of course. Yeah.
I need pictures.
Yeah. So it's finally finished. When you guys came, it wasn't finished that much. It's finally finished. So they forgot to put the head here on this one. Okay. There's no show header, it's like that. Oh, the head is on it. Okay. It is there. Yeah. Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is the bed seat at Loftel. So big with the balcony. Look at the view. This is the view, family. This bed seat is very big. It's like a 1-bedroom. Very big, family. Studio apartment. It's very big. Yeah, family. So we're here at the Loftel. So you put your TV. You mount the TV right there. Yeah.
And this
It's modern.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice. Is it enough storage?
Yeah, this is a lot. Yeah, this is a lot for a small bed seater. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? Link up with Jam Tours. Looking. You get money connected with a house. Also a payment plan. You know what I mean? So this is us on the 9th floor. We're on the 9th floor.
Use this. That one over there.
So that one, the Kenma Court.
Okay.
That's where I have my Airbnb family, right next to the Loftel. That's where I have the Airbnb is right there, Kenma Court. So go and check it out, family. When you come to Kenya, all Jamaicans will be one place. When you're at one place, that's how the community build, family.
You man. You man. One
Yeah,
place.
one place, you know. Alright, family. So like, share, and comment on this video. You know what I mean? Let me know your thoughts. The water heat up so. Yeah, family. So, you know, I'm just showing you this for the first time. This is how the bed seat, the bathroom look. You know what I mean? I like it. It's very stylish and nice. You know what I mean? Nice big face basin. You know what I mean? And you have a little thing you can pull out like that. Your family, so you put your touch tissue there, so you flush there, so. And them have nice bowl, nice modern bowl. And the bathroom is like a hotel bathroom. They have this thing, this big one here. Toilet rack. Oh wow, this toilet rack right there, as you can see. Yeah, so it's hotel style. Hotel style. So imagine if you have this as a apartment and Airbnb, you can make a whole lot of money from it. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. So this you have to hold it from the top here. See.
There's some chicken here.
This is what they get. This is what they get. Chicken rice.
Yeah, this is, oh, well, I can't put it. Where would you put it? You'll have them to borrow a hole.
Or maybe they already have gas service. Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. Let me see over here. Maybe say, no, it's not there. I don't know how this works. Let me see. This is something. This one from here. Maybe them not connect it yet, I see. I see they have the red thing there. It's not connect up yet. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a chip right here.
Yeah, you have to tell them there's a chip right here.
Yeah, it is not evil. You see?
It's not either, yeah. Fix that. Yeah.
So make sure we check it out.
Yeah, family. So we're there to do the inspection of the apartment to make sure everything is intact and what they say in it is in it. What it comes with, it comes with family. So we're here checking it out.
Use a manual. So how do you start this?
This way.
Guess they still need to connect because if you look down, you see the wires.
Oh, yeah. See the one.
Your family. So, this one is open too. So this is another one family. It's mother and daughter will be staying here. So they bought 2 apartments next to each other. So this is the other one. This is the other apartment family. Bed-seater. Loft there like Jam Tours. Link up with Jam Tours to get one of this or one of this. I think them done still, but you can check. You can check for you. This is the view of the other one family. This is the view of the other one. That's the view. And this is the bed seater with your balcony. Nice. Alright family, like, share and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know when you're coming to Kenya. Jam Tours is here waiting for you. Which one is yours, Joyce? Which one you don't choose none yet. Which one?
We have chosen 9.
Oh, 909. That one is for you.
Yeah.
This one is for you, Grandma.
I think I chose 10. No, I did.
Oh, really?
I didn't.
Yeah. So 9. So this one is 9, over there this one is 10. Yeah.
This is
9,
10.
10. Yeah, this is 10. Yeah, so your one is clean. Your one is empty, your one. Yeah.
So we just need to clean up for the shower.
Yeah, the glass.
You know the little thing, so you step over?
Yeah, like a little.
A step over.
Like a little step over.
So the water doesn't.
Yeah, you can put a glass there if you want. A glass. Very nice.
And it's like rock.
And the towel racks.
It's like a hotel style.
It is nice.
Yeah.
This was a good deal.
There.
Yeah.
This is croissant.
Yeah, family. So we do the final touchings and make sure everything is intact in this apartment. This Jam Tours are there with like, share and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts, family. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you're going. Let me know when you come to Kenya. Let me know when you want Jam Tours to pick you up from the airport, take you around and show you around. Just like what we are doing now for our clients, our fellow diaspora. that can be a 55 inch.
And the fridge right there.
Yeah.
And then you just have a little, maybe the desk.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you can do that.
Desk or whatever,
With
with
a
a
chair
chair.
over there, sorry, chair with the sofa.
What?
You can put sofa and then desk again.
You will have that desk right here. With a little.
Actually, the bed should be right there.
Yeah, the
That's
desk right
right.
there.
Yeah, because the socket is there, yeah. And then,
A small table, small round table.
With the
The
with the
faces.
sofa.
Mm.
Yeah.
The sofa.
And then you have a little desk, small desk, with a chair right
But we have to just have to look at the showroom that they have. Let's go and-
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Alright family, I want to see the showroom to see how they line out and how to fix the furniture. The line out family. So let's go. Yeah family, so we're here to look at the layout and setup of the bed seater. So you know where to put what to put what. So you have your stove there, so you have your fridge corner there, so
No, we have, I look at it and I told
you have
us.
a little table there, so
So we need to find out.
and your bed right there, so.
So we're gonna ask, right?
And then you have they don't put in that yet on here one day.
They didn't put in, they put in, they
Should
put
in the
in,
range hood, in the range hood,
our range hood.
and the glass in the back.
Mm.
Oh, they did?
No, they didn't put it in our. So they need to put it
How
in.
come they haven't put it on that side?
Yeah family, so we're here and this is what the bed seater look like when it's furnished out. You have your deco on the wall and it looks very nice like a hotel. Hotel style. Hotel style.
That's a filter.
Yes.
Take out and clean and put back.
So
Oh my goodness.
yeah, this looks nice.
Umemaliza?
Very nice.
Aya, no,
So yeah, so now you have an idea how to put it up, how to set it up.
Yes, let me get that picture.
Oh,
Lighting. You can even change the lighting if you want.
Yes, I want to change the lighting.
You change the lighting. Yeah.
Ay,
Competitive,
kuna
yeah.
alafu.
See, man.
And even for yeah.
My walls came, my tiles.
See, it was
Hizo ma tiles,
I
eh?
need something like that.
Yeah, ni kweli, kwa kweli.
Maybe you can ask down where we get these things.
Umemaliza kabisa ama tunamalizia?
Nice center table in the middle there. Yeah.
Okay, sawa, sawa.
Yeah, so we need to do all this. And put up the computer.
Naona nitafika
We need to have a folding table.
Yeah, family. So we're there, and you know what I mean.
Yeah.
This is how we're matching up and matching up.
No, what?
The tip,
I think you can. I think it's
Let
here.
me call the power engineer come.
Mm-hmm.
So it's better, because of the even I don't know if should be have or not have.
And you see, like this, like
Wait to show me. Let me talk to them to come, so you can explain to them face.
Yeah, family. So
Come to the seat, or then to live here, sit here, or sit
yeah, there's fine.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, family. So I'm here. Yeah, family. So you know, our sisters that have the bed seater, they want to put the glass like this inside. You know what I mean? Joyce, come here a little, let me show you something. This is the 2-bedroom where you can see the glass. So you can see so that is how it look for the 2-bedroom.
Right, so that's what I mean with the house. Yeah, you're right.
So you can just buy the glass and then they'll fit it in for you.
Okay, good.
Yes, Dong, they want something like this in the bed seater. They'll just buy the glass, right?
Yeah, the only for 2-bedroom. The 1-bedroom doesn't have this one.
Yeah, but shit, they want to put it inside the bed seater.
Yeah,
They want to buy the glass and your man put it in.
If he buy and then the size is good, we can pay him to put. But it not this size is good, no.
Mm-hmm.
The long size something is really good. You want to use washroom? Washroom is okay.
Yeah,
Use
so
washroom? I mean, do you want to use washroom?
No, we go.
Oh.
I'm just looking at the glass.
Okay, okay.
So they will just come and take the measurement, and then they will actually cut the glass to that.
Right, okay. So it slides because the glass.
Oh, you want the slide one?
Yeah, because
This is not the slide one, but you can get the slide one.
Yeah, because it's down there, that's useless.
Yeah.
That's not where the water is going. So that piece would need to be right there.
Oh yeah, yeah,
You see
yeah.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm thinking that's what I thought it could slide.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
He installed it like
It's just like that.
He installed it backwards.
Yeah.
It needs to be up there.
Yeah, it needs to slide. Like
Yeah,
you just
it
come
needs
and
to
you can
be-
slide and shut.
Yeah.
Yeah, fam. That's the kind of glass they want to put inside the bed seater. Because when you come and stay in this, you're gonna feel like you're in a hotel. Yeah, fam. So we're just doing the final touchings to make sure everything is intact with the apartment. Yeah, so this is actually a 2-bedroom. Fruit.
Yes, and so
You can go to City Market, opposite Parklands. You know Aga Khan is. You can take them there. They'll find jackfruit, and they will also find soursop. All of these things. So City Market in Parklands, you'll find it.
Sorry, we didn't get the thing anymore.
Oh yeah.
Next time when you come, we're gonna come early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was an accident that we didn't come early today. We had planned to come, but something happened and we didn't.
Yeah.
Feel about it.
Yeah, family. So the kids play area is putting up. This is actually the gym right there. Gym will be right here. Then you have the, yeah, this is it, yeah. This is the pool right here. Then they're fixing the pool. Have a pool right here. They even put out chair already. They even put out chair at the loft there, the pool. Yeah, family. So these are the apartments I'm telling you guys about. That if you want to do like business, you can buy this one for like a little shop or something on the ground floor. Yeah, so we already talked to management and they say that it can be done. This is my idea. I was thinking I'll put something right here like a bistro, a coffee shop, or some like a restaurant, you know what I'm saying, family? So, you know what I mean? This is the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let us know when you come into Kenya. Link up with Jam. My man Jam Tours.
No, this is what we call condo in America.
This.
Yes, these are
This is not an
condos.
apartment.
It's a condominium. It's a condo. Condo building, yeah. So
So just in
so
case.
rather than where the toilet is, you don't need a glass at the toilet, really.
You want,
So she want to move it from here,
Like if I had
put it this glass and put it here instead of there.
why?
No, that's how because the water is
Understand. Now 9 and 10. It's an auto problem. You show him. It's a power engineer. Power engineer. Power water engineer. No, show him the photo first.
Oh, okay.
So what's the problem?
Okay.
It's an auto issue. I don't know if this
Okay,
issue or
so
not.
the pipes, they need this little tip right here. The pipes need this portion. And then all the pipes. And then the red wood. This is? And this is the pipe, no tip on them. So. And then this one is dark. See, the cupboard,
Let me see the one in here.
the cupboard is like, see? They're not easy. This one down here, this one up here. Yeah, so they need to. Let me see the one on two. Yeah. Because this is like.
Where?
right there. It's Jamrock right there. Right here.
Miss those colors. Can you miss those colors?
That's my mother.
Yeah. So this is Jamrock right here. We have the restaurant, we have a little bar here right here. Let me get a waitress. Come around.
Sit inside.
You wanna sit inside? Inside is nice. You can sit inside. Yeah. Matthew. David. Yeah, meet my Jamaican grandmother and my Jamaican sister.
Hi. How are you? Welcome, thank you. How are you? You good?
Yeah.
How are you doing? All good? Hi, welcome.
Yeah, families. It's the first time. We can wipe off that one right there. Yeah, family. So, it's first time them actually I try Jamaican food in a. Yeah, family, so we're there and it's the first time I try some Jamaican food at a Jamaican restaurant in Africa. And the place is Kenyan. Yeah, family, so you know what I mean? Jam Tours Africa, we are bridge the gap, we are introduce the Jamaican culture. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, family, so like, share and comment on the video, family. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what I want. Yeah. I have a surprise for you guys. Who want the surprise first? Okay. I want the grandma first. Ta-da! It's a jackfruit. You get you're perfect.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
I did that too right. Alright, I'll take two more.
You take two.
Yeah, I'll take two more.
Let me go and get them.
Okay. And then we can cook the seed and eat them.
Yeah. So 2, 1, 1, 1. All right, family. So they like the actually jackfruit family. So when you come to Jamrock, there's Jamrock right there. There's a little health grocery shop where you can go and get your stuff. So they said they want 2 more. 1 each, and the last 2, you know. Them lucky are the last 2. Last 2. So I have 4 of this, right? I'll come pay you. Yeah, family. So as you can see, the last 2. This was the last 2. You guys are lucky, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, family. So jackfruit. I haven't eaten in a while. Come and find it in Kenya via Jam Tours. Alright, family, so make sure you book your trip with Jam Tours and let us know. We are out, let's go. Taste. Very good.
Perfectly right.
So that means that you have this many one and I want to get one.
Yeah.
Perfectly right.
Perfectly right. Yeah. Yeah, family. So the Jamaica culture is live and well here. So when you come, you know what I mean? This is what you expect when you come at Jamrock in Kenya. You know what I mean? And you tour with Jam Tours and you eat with Jamrock. Tour with Jam Tours and eat with Jamrock. Tour with Jam Tours. You're not too ripe. Yeah, yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Carry one from it to my brother. Yeah. Yeah, grandma get her taste bud touched today. Alright, family. How the juice? I made the juice yesterday. We have a brunch.
Yeah.
It's I who made the juice.
I saw Mary there. Like, yeah. I
Yeah.
saw Mary there.
Yeah. So we had a brunch yesterday, and I made the Watermelon juice. Yeah.
So a lot of people come to the. So where do most of the Jamaicans
Stay.
Yeah.
Taste. Very good.
Perfectly right.
So that means that me drive this me one and one to get one. Because you want to get one.
Yeah.
Perfectly right.
Perfectly right. Yeah. Yeah, family. So the Jamaica culture is live and well here. So when you come, you know what I mean? This is what you expect when you come at Jamrock in a Kenya. You know what I mean? And you tour with Jam Tours and you eat with Jamrock. Tour with Jam Tours and eat with Jamrock. Tour with Jam Tours. You know, too ripe. Yeah, yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Can't talk no.
You're welcome. Carry one from it to my brother. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, grandma get her taste bud touched today. Alright, family. How the juice? I made the juice yesterday. We have a brunch.
Yeah.
It's I who made the juice.
I saw Mary there. Like, yeah. I
Yeah.
saw Mary there.
Yeah. So we had a brunch yesterday, and I made the watermelon juice. Yeah.
So a lot of people come to the. So where do most of the Jamaicans
Stay.
Yeah.
I know we in Jamaica we actually passionate about our food.
No, it's in Uganda.
Yeah, it's in
They
Uganda.
eat it in Rwanda.
Yeah. They eat it there in Uganda.
Yeah, it's in Rwanda.
Yeah, family. So the soup come, and we have the watermelon juice. Nice. You know, Jam Tours made it. Nice.